Honorable Supreme Court, huh? Honorable Supreme Court has decided in a case Muhammad Akram, the petition of Muhammad Akram against the petition already filed in the Chhattisgarh High Court. Actually, that was the election petition where there was an allegation against MLA, and the petition was filed in the Chhattisgarh High Court. To get the order of expedite, Muhammad Akram was filed a petition in the Supreme Court. After hearing the full petition, Honorable Supreme Court has decided that each and every High Court must have a separate election court. Must have a separate election court. And Honorable Supreme Court said in this matter that even one day we don't want to see any public representative on the post against whom there is the case or charges. That is why the case must be decided as early as possible. That is why there is the need for the formation of the separate election courts in every High Court, and that separate election court will decide only and only in the matters of elections. Only and only in the matter of election. The Supreme Court in this matter also decided that in almost all the cases, the petition not decided during the duration of his post. Petition is decided after 5 or 6 or 7 years, and the duration for the post is only 5 years. So we don't want to see any person one day on the seat if he is corrupt. That is why it must be decided as early as possible. It's a very long petition, and the impact of this judgment will be very, very long. Only election related case. Actually, election petitions cannot be decided by the lower courts. So election petitions may only be decided by either Supreme Court or by the High Court. So in High Court there is a long pending of cases. So whenever the election petition is filed in the court, in the High Court, it takes a long time, and not a long, even in almost all cases, it is decided, बारी खड़े रहिए, वहाँ से खड़े, almost decided after the expiry of the period. So what mean of that petition? If it is decided after the expiration of the total duration of the post, that is why it must be decided as earlier as possible. So election court will take the petitions only related to the elections.